Launch an automated AI print-on-demand store today, and platforms will flag your account within 72 hours. Cheap AI art and generated ebooks stopped generating Stripe notifications 18 months ago. Anyone still teaching that model is selling you a corpse. Passive income in 2026 requires an active defense against aggressive platform spam filters. Amazon, Etsy, and major freelance marketplaces overhauled their core algorithms last quarter, specifically to detect and demote bulk-generated content. Independent creators are losing entire storefronts, watching Stripe payouts freeze, and seeing months of work vanish because they followed advice from 2023. The market shifted brutally from quantity to hyper-specific quality. Building AI-driven digital assets still generates serious revenue, but only when the end product solves a narrow, painful technical bottleneck. Output speed alone is now a guaranteed path to getting your digital footprint erased. The first casualty of AI saturation was the low-content book and digital print market. KDP's current quality guidelines throttle accounts uploading more than 3 AI-assisted titles per week. Etsy's visual detection algorithms shadowban store owners dropshipping generic mid-journey canvas prints on contact. You cannot beat automated moderation bots at a volume game. They process flagging faster than you can upload. Delete any listing you generated in under 5 minutes. If it cost you 0 effort, it costs the algorithm 0 effort to hide. Shift instead to high-barrier products that require genuine domain expertise. A pack of 50 deep chain prompts engineered specifically for architectural rendering optimization sells for $89. A generic 10,000 prompt bundle gets flagged as spam and deplatformed within days. Specificity is the only margin protection left in these marketplaces. Freelance platforms are now dead zones for basic AI tasks. Offering SEO blogs or AI-generated logos commands pennies, if the work comes in at all. The real revenue moved from micro-tasking into micro-SaaS. Solo builders are combining no-code tools like Bubble with Claude APIs to ship single-purpose tools. A legal contract summarizer built exclusively for independent contractors charges $19 per month and requires no sales calls. A developer named Marcus deployed a tool specifically for drafting commercial real estate listing descriptions in November and hit $8,240 in monthly recurring revenue by February. He built it once, updates the prompt framework monthly based on user feedback, and lets Stripe handle billing. He is not competing with Upwork freelancers. He built a gated software asset that scales without adding daily workload. Complex coding is not required to capture high-margin revenue. The most lucrative digital assets right now are AI-integrated workspace templates. Professionals pay $149 for a Notion system that automatically summarizes client meetings and syncs action items to their calendar via Zapier and OpenAI integrations. You build the architecture once, record a screen share proving it works, and sell on Gumroad. The perceived value is not the AI model itself. It is the hours the buyer avoids spending on automation architecture they would never figure out alone. Start by mapping a painful, repetitive workflow inside your own current job. Automate it completely, refine the UX, and package that exact solution. Selling professional bottleneck solutions converts at a 14% higher rate than selling generic creative assets. Locking your margins to ChatGPT Plus is a strategic ceiling. Serious builders use open-source models through API providers like Grok or Together AI. Running a fine-tuned Llama 3 model for a customer service chatbot costs fractions of a cent per query against premium proprietary pricing. Package that cost reduction as a white-glove service for local businesses with 0 technical staff. Build the custom bot, host it cheaply, and charge a local law firm $499 per month for a 24/7 lead qualification system. You operate as an arbitrage layer between cheap open-source compute and traditional businesses that cannot access it themselves. They receive a premium service. You capture a 95% profit margin on an asset requiring roughly 2 hours of maintenance per month. None of this is genuinely passive. Micro-SaaS demands ongoing customer support, and API integrations break whenever OpenAI or Anthropic push silent backend updates. Build a generic tool that targets everyone, and a venture-backed startup will undercut you within weeks. The biggest error creators make is assuming AI eliminates the marketing phase. A niche newsletter, a targeted LinkedIn audience, or paid search ads are still non-negotiable. You are trading time previously spent executing tasks for time spent marketing, troubleshooting, and maintaining a digital asset. The workload shifts. It does not disappear. The companion short breaks down the exact KDP and Redbubble purge numbers, including how fast those bans hit accounts that followed 2023 passive income advice. Apply the micro-SaaS framework from this video, and within 30 days you will have a deployable, monetized digital asset that survives platform bans. Subscribe so you catch every model update before the next algorithm shift. This is AI Growth Hacks.